Subscribe to our channel for more travel related videos and press the bell icon for the notification.
Hi guys, welcome to Travel Stars Vlog. Today I will show you how to register your drone in UAE. It's very easy to register your drone and get a license in UAE. In UAE, there are two government entities, GCAA and GCAA. If you want to fly in all Emirates except for Dubai, then you have to register in GCAA. But if you want to fly your drone in Dubai, then you have to register in DCAA. To register in GCAA is very easy. You just need to go to their website, enter your Emirates ID and upload the photo of your drone. But if you want to register in DCAA, you need to take training from a recognized drone institute and get certified from them. I went through a lot of Google reviews and took my training at Sanad Academy. Now we are at Sanad Academy. I am taking a hobbyist license which costs 945 dirhams. They will teach you the basics of the drone and how to fly it. Once you clear the practical and the theory test, you will be awarded with the certificate.
After passing both theory and practical exams, Pavanraj has been certified by Sanad Academy. Congratulations!
So guys, once you receive the certificate from Sanad Academy, you need to go to DCAA website, enter your Emirates ID, upload the photo of your drone and also the copy of the certificate from Sanad Academy. Then you have to just wait for 3 to 5 days to get your license. This is it. These are the simple steps which you need to do before getting a license in UAE. Now you got a question, where to fly your drone? Okay, there is an app called My Drone Hub. Once you open the app, you will come to know the locations where you can fly and where you cannot fly the drone. So there is also an app called UAE Forecast. This app lets you know the wind speed before flying the drone. I am all excited now. I am just waiting for my license to get approved. Once it is approved, I'll fly this Mavic Air 2 and give you guys the review about it. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. This will help our channel to grow. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care.